Hello my YouTube friends, Stefan here. Welcome back to another video. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video if it's helpful. So let's go to the problem now. So you're wondering, where is my emojis on my Mac operation system? Now I'm going to show you how to show your emojis. So just follow my steps. On the keyboard you need to press 3 keys. So as you can see here, this is the control and this is the command button. Control, command, and then we have the space bar. So control, command and space. So just follow my steps. So you have to press control, command and space in the same time. It's very simple, very easy. Again, control, command and space in the same time. Voila! And now you have all your emojis here, so you can choose your emojis. You can send emojis to your friends. Very cool emojis. Guys, if this video is helpful, please subscribe and like it. And share it, why not? If you have a friend who doesn't know how to show the emojis on the MacBook, yes, you can share the video. Thank you very much. This is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, guys.